Greetings everyone, welcome to AK Online Academy. Alright, so in today's session, I'm going to be showing you how you are supposed to solve the questions I gave you on algebraic fractions. And this question never misses in mathematics paper 2. And so it is very important for you to make sure that you add it to your arsenal of questions which are going to hammer the time you'll be writing your final exams. Okay, so this one is quite simple. It is very similar to addition and subtraction of fractions. So except I think it's blurry. So let me just copy the question for you. So it's x minus 1, then the numerator is 5 minus x minus 2, the numerator is 2. So these are very simple. All you have to do is you multiply the numerator with the denominator from the other side, okay, like this, okay, and then you go to the other side also. You get this sign, give it to this guy, and then this guy multiplies with this whole numerator like that. That's all you have to do, and you're done. So meaning it's going to be 5 times this denominator there. So you're going to say 5 open bracket x minus 2 close, and then I said you get this sign, give it to this guy. So meaning it's going to be negative 2, and then this guy, I think I've deleted him by mistake, let me put him back. Okay, then this guy multiplies with this denominator there. So meaning it's going to be 2 times x minus 1. The idea is you need to put the denominators in brackets, okay? This numerator on the left multiplies with the opposite denominator, okay? The denominator on the, okay, I think I'm making a mess here. Okay, the numerator on the right multiplies with the denominator on the left. This guy multiplies with this one. That's just basically how we do it. Then I'm going to say over this numerator, but in brackets, x minus 1, and the other numerator also in brackets. So at this point, the numerators don't change. You are going to continue solving this question until you get to the end, just like that. Then you can start expanding. 5 times x gives you 5x. Okay, positive times the negative there gives you a negative, and then 5 again times 2 gives you 10. We are done this side. We can come this side. So we're going to say this negative times the positive there, giving you a negative. Then you're going to say 2 times x, giving you 2x. Okay, then you're going to say this negative times this negative there, giving you a positive, and then 2 times 1, giving you a 2. Then you can simplify the like terms. So first we'll group them together. 5x minus 2x, these are like terms, minus 10 plus 2. Okay, so 5x minus 2x gives us 3x. Oh wait, where are we? Right there, we forgot the denominators. So the denominators don't change. Just keep putting them the way they are appearing up there. Okay, when we simplify there, we get 5x minus 2x, we group them together, minus 10 plus 2, again the denominators, the same way they're appearing up there, x minus 2. So the 5x minus 2x gives us 3x minus 8, and you are done. X minus 1, x minus 2. That's your final answer. You're done. Got the next one. So the next one is, I usually like starting with the denominator so that I can center the numerator. Minus 3x minus 1, then here are the 5. So this times this guy down here, so it's going to be 2 times of, that's 2, right? Yeah, 2 in brackets, we put the denominator from the other side of the fraction. Then we bring down that minus, bring down that 5, and then we put this denominator in brackets. Okay, So x plus 2, close, and then your denominator is going to compose of this one and that one, both of them, but in brackets. In bracket x plus 2, close, open, 3x minus 1, close. Start expanding. 2 times 3x is 6x. Okay, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Okay, negative 5 times 2, positive 2 is negative 10. Okay, everything over the same denominators. X plus 2, 3x minus 1, we close. Okay, then here we can group the like terms. 6x and 5x are like terms, so say 6x minus 5x, then negative 2 and negative 10 are also like terms. Then everything over x minus 2, 3x minus 1. So 6x minus 5x is x. Initially it's supposed to be 1x, but when the coefficient of a variable is 1, you don't write it, you just say x. Then here negative 2 minus 10 gives us negative 12. When the signs are the same, you keep the same sign, add the two numbers, and then your denominator, you simply bring down those values up there. So this is your final answer. Done. You go to the next one. Which one is the next one? Question 5. I think I had scrolled down too much. Yeah. So this one is a bit blurry. Let me copy it for you. So we have 1 minus 4k. On top we have a 9. Let's say minus 1 minus 3k. And on top we have an 8. So it's going to be 9 times this guy here. Then 8 times that guy there. Okay, let's get it. So it's going to be 9 in brackets, 1 minus 3k, close bracket, bring down that negative, 8 times the other denominator. Then the denominators, we're going to have the same values we have up there as the denominators, 1 minus 3k, close. Okay, so we start expanding. 9 times 1, 9. 9 times negative 3k, negative 27k. Okay, negative 8 times 1, negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 4, that should be positive 32. Okay, then everything over the same denominators. 1 minus 4k, close, open, 1 minus 3k. Okay, we'll group the like terms. 9 minus 1 minus 8. There's the like terms. Minus 27k plus 32k. Everything over 1 minus 4k, 1 minus 3k. 9 minus 8 gives us a 1. Okay, there negative 27 plus 32, that gives us positive 5k. And then your denominators are still going to be 1 minus 4k and 1 minus 3k. And we are done. Can't simplify this one any further than that. Go to the next one, which we also scroll down too much. Okay, this one is x minus 2, 6 minus x minus 4 over 2. So it will be 6 times this one, 2 times that one. Okay, like that. So it's 6 times this one. So we're going to have x minus 4, close, bring down the negative there, then 2 open brackets, x minus 2, close. Okay, 6 times x is 6x. 6 times negative 4, negative 24. Okay, negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Okay, negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. Okay, everything over. So we forgot to put the denominator here. Just do the right thing. So here we're supposed to have a denominator right there, which is going to be x minus 2, x minus 4. So we have 6x there, negative, is that 4? Yeah, negative 24, negative 2x, and positive 4. So we're going to have x minus 2, x minus 4. Scroll down. So 6x and 2x are like terms. Then negative 24 and positive 4 are also like terms. So x minus 2, x minus 4. 6x minus 2x, 6x minus 2x gives us 4x. Okay, negative 24 plus 4 gives us negative 20. Everything over x minus 2, x minus 4. We are done. Okay, this should be our last question, which is 2x minus 1 on top of a 2 minus 3x minus 1 on top of a 3. So it will be 2 times the 3x minus 1. So we're going to say 2 3x minus 1 minus 3 2x. I'm sure by now you get it. Okay, everything over the same denominators. 2x minus 1, 3x minus 1. Okay, 2 times 3x, 6x. 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Okay, negative 3 times 2x, negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 1, that's positive 3. Everything over 2x minus 1, 3x minus 1. Okay, divide the like terms, so we're going to say 6x minus 6x minus 2 plus 3. Everything over 2x minus 1, 3x minus 1. So 6x minus 6x gives us a 0 there. Okay, let's just include it. Then negative 2 plus 1 there gives us a positive 1. Then we're going to say 2x minus 1, 3x minus 1. So 0 plus 1 simply gives you 1, gives you a 1, and you are done. So this is basically how we are supposed to answer these questions. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a like. If you are new here, make sure you give us a follow so that we can be able to notify you whenever we post new content. Yeah, otherwise you can also share this video with your friends so that they can also benefit from what you have benefited. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.